Hi children, welcome back to today's session. As you know, we have been discussing exercise part of the lesson called desert animals. Already we have completed section A and in which we have completed second also. In today's class, I am here to discuss section B. Okay, let us read out the question. Read the words phrases in the box with your partner. Find their meaning in the dictionary. Here they have given a box in which they have given some words. You have to fill up appropriate words and phrases in the empty. Okay, fill in the blanks in the following passage with the above words or phrases. Okay, we have to fill up you have to fill up this passage with appropriate words or phrases. Did you get? Okay, let us read out the passage. All animals in forests and deserts struggle to dash in dash, though most of the animals are dash. Some are dangerous when dash. If an dash is noticed, they attack or bite to save themselves. They struggle dash for food and water. Some animals are called dash because they dash on other animals. Dear students, this is a question. Okay, let us fill up appropriate verb uh, given in the box. First one, all animals in forests and deserts struggle to survive. Here you have to take down from the box, that is survive. Okay, all animals in forests and deserts struggle to survive. Okay, I told you while I was explaining the lesson desert animals, all animals in forests have to survive their lives. I told you many times. You might have observed that one. The next one, all animals in forests and deserts struggle to survive in harsh condition. Here you have to fill up harsh condition. Though most of the animals are harmless. Here you have to fill up harmless. You have to take down from the box, that is harmless. Okay, next one. Though most of the animals are harmless, some are dangerous when threatened. You have to take down from the box, that is threatened. Here you have to fill up threatened. Some are dangerous when threatened. If an Here what you have to fill up, you have to take down from the box, that is intruder. That is intruder. So you have to take down this one. Okay, if an intruder is noticed, they attack or bite to save themselves. They struggle continually for food and water. Okay, you have to fill up here continually. Some animals are called dash. What you have to fill up here? You have to take down. I think one is left. Which one is left in the box? That is predator. Predators. What do you mean predators? I told you, the meaning of this word while explaining the lesson. Predator means hunters. That is called as hunters. Okay, some animals are called predators because they prey. Here you have to fill up prey. They prey on other animals. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, I hope you have got the answer for this passage. Still, if you have any clarification, any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day. I keep watching videos. Thank you.